Let's get it.
It's all you. You started.
Welcome to What the FAQ by Dow Technology. My name's Mike Hurwitz. I'm the Strategic Sales Manager for Dow Technologies. And I have...
Mike Barsha, account manager for part of Florida and 12 volt for Dow.
And what do we have here with us today?
So this is our Sony hidden 8-inch powered subwoofer. It is an awesome piece. It works really, really well. So if you have a customer that's very limited on space, but they want the bass, bam!
Bam! Just like that. Bam! Just like that. Bam! 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 Just like that.
This is it.
Let's take a look at this box. And first, before you do anything, hit the like button. Support Dow Technology. Support the guys at Sony who gave this product that we're going to... What do we get to do with this?
We get to give it away.
To who?
To
that guy?
One of them.
He did say he kind of want one.
One of the guys watching this video is going to win this for free.
For free! This is sick!
For free. Thanks to our Sony guys. What do they got to do?
All they have to do is put in their name of the shop and their account number in the field below, and we're going to draw one of the numbers, one of the names.
Yep. Definitely make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. Definitely helps support Dow Technologies. Helps support Sony. And it's just an awesome thing to do. But let's see. Let's take a look at this box here. What do you think? Looks pretty good. I like the gray and the white.
Great packaging.
Looks good for an independent retailer type shop.
Very high end, for sure.
All right, let's open it
Nice
up. Let's
description.
see.
Let's do the fun stuff.
It kind of thuds when you drop it. That doesn't affect the performance of it.
That was a Sony. It'll be fine.
Okay, here you go. Just reach on in there and pull that bad boy out.
All right.
Holy cow, what do we got here?
We got all kinds of good stuff.
Let's start with here. What do we got here?
So that's going to be your knob. That's your bass knob, volume knob, whatever you want to call it. Which makes it nice because it's going to be an independent piece.
Oh, look at that. It's got the little clicks in it.
I like it.
Feels very...
very high end.
Oh, ooh, nice. Easy.
Yeah.
All right, all right, I got a bass knob. What else we got? What's this for?
That's going to be to mount it.
Mount the bass knob.
Nice little mount for it.
Oh, we probably should have gone through this. Kind of let down Drew. We didn't go through the manuals first. What do we got here?
Warranty.
Warranty. What's that warranty on it?
Straight through Dow. Come see us 1 year. God forbid there's a problem with the amplifier, the output of the woofer, whatever. We're going to give you a brand new one.
Yep. And what's this?
That's your owner's manual.
What do you do with that?
RTFM. Start with that.
What's that?
Let's read the freaking manual.
You sure?
I am sure.
What do you got here?
So that's your harness. So it's so simple, right? So you're not having to add like a big 8-gauge amp kit or 10-gauge amp kit, whatever it may be. It comes with a harness already. It's almost like wiring up a head unit power, which is really nice. So it simplifies the installation without having to run everything with the battery necessarily too under the hood.
Okay, pull that out. Let's take a look at it.
This is the good stuff right here.
So the best thing about Sony
see.
is they're one of the best companies, especially when it comes to style and engineering, which everyone definitely has a lot of. Also, you mentioned the warranty on it. Their warranty is no hassle. So any problem, they don't even care. They just want to make sure they take care of the customer, which I got to say, I like that the best here at Dow Technology. I know our retailers do.
Well, the most important thing is they can take care of the customer. God forbid there's a problem with it. The customer comes in, they can swap it out with inventory and stock. You know, the most important thing is the customer experience, and Sony allows you to be the hero. That's what matters.
Well, let's take a look at this. What do we got here?
So the first thing first, right? Number one, in this category, some of the stuff doesn't really sound that great, right? And that's reality. I've heard this personally. It sounds awesome. In my opinion, it beats everything else in the same category out there right now. It's small, it's compact, and it jams. You know, you find places that this will fit that other enclosures won't fit, and it does have great bass output.
It's got a good weight to it, so and a good finish on it. I think it looks really good. It's almost a shame that a lot of these will be hidden underneath a seat or so like that. But like Mike says, it's there's certain applications for this one where you're not going to take up a whole trunk or, you know, an area with full-size subs and a box. But something like this, you can still have good sound and still have all the cargo space.
You know, I recently listened to a sport utility. It was a little Traverse Chevrolet, and he had two of them in there, and they took up no space, and the thing sounded awesome. I was overly impressed. But for something like a hatchback or sport utility, or even just a small compact car underneath the seat, the output is tremendous. It really sounds great.
What do we have here for as far as controls you see here?
So it's real simple, right? You got your overall gain control. Of course, you have your harness input. You got your RCA inputs. You've got your input for the remote control, which is going to be, your overall volume control output. So depending on like, oh, I love this song, you can just jam on it, or oh my gosh, I have a headache, you can turn it down. Which a lot of people, when they want bass, they want it, but when they don't want it, they don't want it. So this allows you where it comes with it, and you can control it really nicely.
So like Mike says, it's got both. It does RCA in and the high level in. If you don't have any type of line output converter or you're using a factory head unit, you can just tie it into the front 2 speakers or the rear 2 speakers. So now what are we left to do?
Just got to install it.
Install it. So it needs to go to one of you guys. So what do they got to do?
Got to put their name in their retail store and their account number below, and make sure you hit like and share our page, and we're going to raffle this bad boy off.
I like it. And we really do appreciate from the Sony guys that gave this to us and all the vendors that do give it to us to make this show possible. So they're pretty awesome that they're allowed to do that for us. So
yeah, thanks to Sony and thanks to Al. That's for sure.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.
See ya.